Hello dear customer, this is our QLQ's automatic metal zipper chemical calculating machine. This one is for one chemical tank. It is for making the anti-brass, gun, silver, also called nickel, and light gold color. This one is for with ultrasonic and oven parts. Okay, now let's see the tank one by one. Okay, this is the ultrasonic part. It is for the raise the shaking frequency of the oil degreasing tank to remove the oil more clearly on the zipper. And the second goes to the washing tank. And the third goes to the activation tank. And now goes to two washing tanks and comes to the chemical tank for making the color on the zipper, and goes to the neutralization tank and goes to the color fixing tank or washing tank. If you want to make the shiny color, then it should be color fixing tank. And if you want to make the color like normal color, then it is washing tank. And goes to the two washing tank. And this tank, it is for drying the zipper after go into the water, and then comes to the oven part for drying the zipper with high temperature. You can see the zipper will go through into the oven part in this way. The output of this machine is about 800 to 1,200 meters per hour. Okay, now let's introduce the control panel of the chemical machine. This is for the main power switch. And here is the power light. And this one is for the chemical tank temperature. Normally we set up the temperature is about 45. And the second one is for the degreasing tank temperature. If you want to make the not shine color, then the temperature is about 45. If you want to make the shiny color, then it should be normal temperature, then this part doesn't need to be used. And this one is for oven temperature. This for the oven part of here. The temperature is about 140 to 150. And this one is speed controller. We set up about 30 to 35. Okay, here is the emergency and power switch and the chemical tank temperature switch. If you want to raise the temperature of the chemical tank, then you have to turn on this one. And this one is for oil degreasing tank temperature. If you want to raise this temperature, then you have to turn on this one. And this one is for oven temperature. The same function of these two parts. And this one is for the suction part. And this one is for the oven fan of the oven machine. After you turn on the oven temperature, then you have to turn on this oven fan for moving the heating of the oven machine into the whole part. And this one is for chemical mixing. After you put the chemical, you have to turn on this part to mix the water and chemical together. And this one is for air blowing switch. It's for the degreasing tank. And this one is the ultrasonic switch. This two is for the start and stop button. Here is all for the details of the control panel. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact with us. In next video, we are going to show you the operation of this machine. Okay, thank you.